Hello, my name is Ebuja. I am an English tutor. Are you ready to transform the English skills and become a confident communicator? Then look no further. As an experienced teacher with over 2 years of teaching experience, a TEFL Certificate, a bachelor's degree in English language, and a master's degree in British literature, I am here to guide you on an exciting journey to mastering English language. In my lessons, we will learn how to use proper English words in sentences in order to captivate your audience, and also how to properly articulate or pronounce those words. I also pay attention to details in my class while using examples from our daily lives and objects around us, which makes my class fun and interesting. If you're ready to elevate your English skills, build your confidence, and unlock your full potentials, then let's get started. Book a lesson with me today and discover a journey of learning English language. Thank you.